আসসালামু আলাইকুম বন্ধুরা, পার্টস অফ স্পিচের দ্বিতীয় পর্ব নিয়ে চলে আসলাম। আমার সাথেই থাকবেন। ভার্বস করেসপন্ডিং আদার পার্টস অফ স্পিচ এক্সেপ্ট, অ্যাকসেপ্টেন্স, অ্যাড, এডিশন, advice, agree, agreement, conception, conspire, conspiracy, continue, continuity, define, definition, defiance, divide, division, educate, education, excel, excellence, against, generate, generation, imitation, inform, from, information, instance, joint, laughter, obtains, operate, operation, passes, persistence, pleasure, plot, plotation, preference, presentation, received, reference, relate, relation, reliance, acceptable, acceptably, additionally, advisibly, agreeably, conceivably, conspiring, conspicuously, continuously, defined, definitely, divisionally, educationally, excellently, engagedly, generatively, imitatively, informatively, instantly, jointly, lovingly, offensively, operationally, passively, presently, presently, pollutatedly, preferably, presentably, receptively, referentially, relatively, reliantly. Rotation, satisfaction, thanks, toleration, trust, use, value, valuation, variation, verification, wash, rotationally, satisfactorily, thankfully, tolerantly, trustfully, useless, usefully, valuably, variantly, verifiedly, washably. Verb corresponding other parts of speech, burial, choose, choice, closure, commitmentally, concuse, edit, edition, change, engagement, failure, identification, marriage, mixer, moistures, package, proclamation, quotation, settlement, speech, suffering, buried, adverb নাই, chosen নাই, closely, committed, adverb নাই, concurable, adverb নাই, additional, adverbs নেই, failure, adverbs নাই, indefinitely, marriageable নাই, moistly, packed নাই, proclaimed নাই, quotable নাই, installed নাই, spoken নাই, sufferably. Adjective corresponding other parts of speech, able, enable, bright, brighten, broaden, busy, deep, false, falsely, gladden, intense, intensify, justify, localize, quieten, particularize, strong, sure, vital, weaken, widen, wise, wise, ability, brightness, easily, breadth, broadly, businesses, busily, depth, deeply, falsehood, falsely, gladness, gladly, intensity, intensely, justification, justly, locally, quietness, quietly, particularly, strange, strongly, surely, bitterly, weakness, weakly, with words, wisdom, easily, adjective, corresponding other parts of speech, adjective, glorious, nigh, happy, nigh, poor, improvised, steadfast, nigh, innocent, nigh, patient, nigh, voluntary, nigh, the noun, closely, happiness, happily, poverty, poorly, steadfastness, steadfastly, innocence, innocently, patiently, voluntarily. আল্লাহ হাফেজ। পার্টস অফ স্পিচের অংশ শেষ। আমার সাথেই থাকবেন, লাইক শেয়ার কমেন্ট করবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।